Good day, biologists. Okay, I'm not doing the whole voice. Today, we're going to be looking at all the different plants in Gorilla Tag, and I'm going to be giving my theories on how they evolved and stuff, and it's going to be really fun. Now let's get to it. Let's start with the obvious one. Forest. Forest is a forest. So, there's tons of trees. Obviously, these look very close to oak trees. One thing that is very noticeable in forests is architecture has ruined a lot of the wildlife. If you look at a bird's eye view of forest, and you pinpoint all the trees, you can see a lot of things missing. This is obviously because of the slide, gazebo, treehouse, double walls, all that. And stuff that a lot of people forget about, the grass. The forest grass is easily the least lively grass. As you can see, it has a ton of white spots and just spots where there's just straight dirt. And then, of course, there's stump, which is way larger than any of the other oak trees in forest. I will talk about this later because I do have a theory. In beech, we have our palm trees. These evolve very differently from the trees in forest. As you can see, they have no branches and they're way curvier. Also, something I noticed is that they're in bunches. We can see a ton of different bunches. My guess is that there are aquifers underground, and these are able to get water to the plants, but only in these specific spots. We also have our coral. If Gorilla World is anything like Earth, these grew onto land and evolved from there. Let's talk about canyons. There are 4 different types of plants in canyons. We have our big cactus, our small but large cactus, our dirt shrub, and this weird other shrub. Now obviously, both cacti evolved together. This one evolved to be taller to get more sunlight, and the other one decided to be longer. Here in clouds, we see these giant trees. Also, I have a theory that stump is like these trees. Also, something that a lot of people forget, that there's actually way smaller trees in clouds. These look very similar to the ones in forest. So it's very obvious that forest and clouds were most likely connected back then. That's where stump came from, and that's how these evolved up here. Also in clouds are these weird purple fruit. I'm guessing that these might have grown in the smaller cloud trees. We have no way to tell for sure. All we know is that these came from somewhere.